I hope you are well. I am also fine. Today I have come to teach you, especially the student of class 5, to teach English subject. At first I introduce myself. I am Poppy Mondal, head teacher, Kobirajbari God Primary School. I also request you, the critical situation of COVID Corona, you should stay at home. Wash your hands with soap and hand wash and water for 20 seconds. Eat vegetables, fruits, follow the rules of health. Dear students, now I would like to sing a song. Would you like to join with me? Yes, okay. I think you will sing a song. Now start. At first you follow me, then you will do with me. Hello, hello, hello my friend. Happy to meet you, happy to meet you. Hello, hello, hello my friend. Happy to meet you, happy to meet you today. Thank you. Dear students, I hope you will enjoy the song very much. Dear students, now we are going to our lessons. Previous day you have learned what you have learned previous day. Can you remember? I think you can remember. We have learned St. Martin's Island. How far is St. Martin Island? How far is island? 2 to 4, second para. Dear students, write down on your note khata lesson title, how far is St. Martin, second para. At first, dear students, look at the nice presentation. Welcome, welcome. Look at the picture and think alone. You see two boys, Andy. This is Andy, and this is Tomal. They are talking about some tourist spots in Bangladesh, especially this lessons St. Martin's Island. Dear students, previous lesson you have learned. So I will ask you some questions. My first question is, who went to Cox's Bazar last month? Okay, Andy. Thank you very much. Second question, what are the famous tourist spots in Bangladesh? Okay, you are fine. Cox's Bazar, where we can find wonderful waterfalls in Bangladesh. St. Martin's Island. Thank you very much. Dear students, let's introduce some new words and their meaning. Special. Special means something particular. Coral, a living object. Turtle, a watery animals. different, something in nature or structure. Cruise, trip. Wooden means made of wood. Exciting, something that creates excitement. Information, message or news. Bottom, the base of something. Substance, a matter. Creature, living object. Dear students, listen to the audio carefully.
What's special about St. Martin's Island?
It's an island in the Bay of Bengal, and it's the only coral island in Bangladesh. You can see coral in different shades and colors, and the water in the Bay of Bengal is very clean and blue.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
Yes, it is. You can also see the turtles from the island. The turtles lay their nests on the beach, and then they lay their eggs in them. You can see many fishes too.
Whoa, really? Can I go sailing?
Well, you can take a day cruise. You can go on wooden boats or sea craft. The cruises are exciting and safe. They are a great way to see the bay.
Thanks for the information, Thomas.
Dear students, open your English book page at 47 and put your finger under the lines. St. Martin. Andy, what is special about St. Martin's Island? Tomal, it's an island in the Bay of Bengal and it's the only coral island in Bangladesh. You can see coral in different shapes and colors, and the water in the Bay of Bengal is very clean and blue. Andy, oh, that sounds wonderful. Tomal, yes, it is. You can also see the turtles on the island. The turtles make the nests on the beach and then they lay the eggs in them. You can see many fish too. Andy, wow, really? Can I go sailing? Tomal, well, you can take a day cruise. You can go on wooden boats or sea truck. The cruises are exciting and safe. They are a great way to see the bay. Andy, thanks for the information, Tomal. Look at the picture, it's an wooden boat. It's a sea truck. Dear students, Coral Island, turtles. Dear students, now match the words with their meaning. Coral, I think you can give answer. Coral, a hard, colorful substance made of bones of very small creatures at the bottom of the sea. Nest, a place to lay eggs. Cruise, a journey by sea. Dear students, now I will ask you some questions. I think you will give the answers. My first question is, what tourist places does Tomal and Andy about? Tomal tells Andy about Srimangal, Madhukundu and St. Martin's Island. Next questions, what is the name of the island Tomal tells Andy about? Its name is St. Martin Island. Thank you. Where is the island? This island is in the Bay of Bengal. Excellent. Number 4. What can you see on this island? On this island we can see coral, clean and blue sea water, turtles, their nest and egg and many fish. Number 5. How can you go on the water in the Bay of Bengal? Okay, dear students, we can go on wooden boats or sea truck. Now it is time to one day one word. Dear students, open your exercise book and write down the word information. IN in FOR for MATION, information. Bangla means তথ্য, message, news, and make a sentence with information. Thanks for your information. You practice. Dear students, now I will ask you a questions. Can you tell me the subject matter of the dialogue between Andy and Tamal? I think you can give answer. Saint Martin's Island is the only coral island of Bangladesh. Different shapes and colors, coral, turtles and many fish are available here. The water of the sea is very clean and blue here. Wooden boats or truck are available for exciting and safe cruise. Now you will write down your homework. Dear students, open your note khata and write a short composition about St. Martin's Island within 5 sentences. Dear students, you will write the composition, and when your school is open, you will see your English teacher, or you can also message my inbox. My Facebook ID is Poppy Mandal. Dear students, now we are going to end up my lesson. Goodbye students. Goodbye. It's time to go away. Goodbye. I wish you a good day. Goodbye. It's time to go away. Goodbye. I wish you a good day. Goodbye students. Stay safe. Stay home.